Unwrapping the Fun of Happy Hour, a guide for English learners. Hello, English enthusiasts. Welcome to our learning journey. Today, we're going to dive into a phrase that's as fun to say as it is to participate in: happy hour. Whether you're a fan of social gatherings or just curious about English idioms, you're in the right place to learn about this popular expression. So, grab a seat, maybe a snack, and let's get started. Happy hour is a term that originally comes from American culture but has since spread worldwide. It refers to a scheduled time, usually in the late afternoon or early evening, when bars, pubs, and restaurants offer discounts on drinks and appetizers. This period is designed to attract customers during the usually slow times of the day. The phrase, happy hour, can also suggest a time of relaxation and enjoyment after a day's work, where people socialize, unwind, and enjoy each other's company at a lower cost. The concept of happy hour has an intriguing history. It's believed to have military roots, dating back to the early 20th century. The U.S. Navy used the term to describe a scheduled entertainment period on board ships to boost morale. The idea of a happy time then transitioned to the idea of reduced prices in bars and restaurants during specific hours. When learning English, it's crucial to know how to incorporate phrases into everyday language. Here are a few examples of how happy hour can be used. Let's meet at the new cafe. They have a happy hour from 5 to 7 p.m. I don't usually drink cocktails, but during happy hour, the prices are too good to pass up. The bar was packed last night because it was happy hour. Remember, happy hour is not just a phrase. It's a cultural concept that involves socializing and enjoying time with friends. In many English-speaking countries, happy hour is more than just a period for discounted drinks. It's a part of the social fabric. It's a time when colleagues often bond outside of work, friends catch up, and new relationships are formed. In some cultures, these hours are also a time to discuss business or network professionally in a more informal setting. Understanding happy hour gives insight into the work-life balance and leisure culture in English-speaking societies, highlighting the value placed on relaxation and socialization. We hope this glimpse into the phrase, happy hour, has added some joy to your English learning experience. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's about understanding the cultural nuances that bring the words to life. So next time you hear happy hour, you'll know it's not just about the discounts. It's about the happiness shared among friends. Thank you for joining us, and keep practicing. We look forward to bringing you more fun English phrases in the future. Cheers to your learning, and may every hour be a happy one for you.